Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you are browsing the web, maybe you'll land on a blog you have never seen before, or an article you want to save for later, or competitor's press release you need to actually track. So you could copy the link, open Feedly, paste it, and hope it finds the feed. That's kinda several clicks away, and a lot of friction. So the dev team already talked about this, already gave it a small thought. What if you could add any website to Feedly with one click from anywhere on the web? So that's exactly what Feedly Mini does, according to the official Chrome Web Store listing. Feedly Mini is the official extension from the Feedly dev team that lets you quickly add new RSS sources to your feeds and save essential articles to your boards. The extension is privacy focused, it only activates when you click the button, and it doesn't have access to any other activity or personal information, as they say. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna talk about it, we're gonna say basically, and I'm gonna even tell you how to get it. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, we want to install the extension. Let's say you are on the web. Go through Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons, look for Feedly Mini. Tap on Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox. Then the Feedly icon will appear in your browser. Now you can easily select the text or the link you want to add. Tap on the Feedly icon, and that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.